to call when the back stiff, right? Let me pass by the rum shop, 8:45. Hear the fellas all talking, drinking the wine. One say my wife had been restless, tossing all through the night. Now she's sleeping like a baby since her back sit right. Ha! Hope the girl them crack her back, Zack. Yes, Zack. Get her lined up and he send her back. Work that spine and he send her home. Lord, them can't leave that man alone. What Jim say? I went, but I don't understand. Fella poke him twice, say you good, my man. Say he don't know a thing about no doctor in trade, but he wife got appointments every other damn day. Every day, every day, every day. Oh, all the girls call him crack her back, Zack. Crack them, Zack. Get her lined up and he send her back. Work some nuts and he take his time. Jermaine see Shelly so happy this whole damn lifetime. This whole damn lifetime. Now Earl have defense, say you boys got it wrong. Man got magic fingers, make the weak feel strong. Say I don't ask no question, long as she alright. Though she go twice a week, getting late in the night. Lord save him. She call him crack. Hey! Get her lined up and send her back. Bend her once and that is that. Funny how the ladies keep running back to that. But when the rum shop get quiet, just taking cover glass. Every man looking down, they too afraid to ask. Hey, don't make no sense, but they shame to complain in their heart. They know it's Zack on she brain. Oh, they call him cracker back, Zack. Get her lined up, send her back. Quack, 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 quack her spine and ease her mind. Zack, give she one more adjustment.